First of all, thank you everyone who watches my videos. I am making them with a blind hope for now, but if you watch this and find it helpful, even if it's just one person, it means a lot to me. Whoever saves one life saves the world, right? And maybe it all can become something bigger and help even more people. So thank you. No, this video is not sponsored by any VPN. Honestly, I'm tired of seeing these ads. I just wanted to tell you which one I use and why. There's lots of different VPN apps that all come with amazing features, but almost all of those ads you see are a bit misleading. You don't really have to use VPN all the time. HTTPS, which is a network protocol enabled almost everywhere, actually does the same job of protecting your data. Any iOS app or any website with padlock icon will secure your traffic and prevent you from literally any common attack. And if you access a vulnerable website, any contemporary browser will show it to you. Tom Scott has a nice video that explains it in details. I linked it in the description. In reality, you would use VPN occasionally, for example, to access some restricted content. Maybe you want to watch some weird anime available only in Japan, or you want to hide your location or data about your browser and device. Or let's say you went to China and have to access your regular websites. So you either have to constantly pay for a good VPN that you occasionally use, or use some free ones with questionable security and limited plans, like half a gigabyte of data per month. This is why I am using ProtonVPN and recommend it to everyone. It is basically the only app with truly free plan that also respects your privacy. But you will be amazed by the details. It is based in Switzerland, a country which actually respects privacy laws and is not included in any international organization that might force them to collect data. It is also being developed by scientists and engineers from CERN and MIT. CERN is literally a place where internet was born, right there in Geneva. It might even be better in terms of privacy than any other VPN apps. It also has a feature called Secure Core, which directs your traffic through data centers based in fallout shelters, former military bases, in countries with strict privacy laws like Sweden, Switzerland, and Iceland. The app itself is quite simple to use. It has a couple of free servers which are plenty for some temporary tasks, and speed is good enough as well. If you need more, there is always a paid option to upgrade to. And they also have an app for the iPhone that I also use whenever it's necessary, and I really like it. So now you can have a VPN app that will always be by your side, truly free and more than enough for your occasional use, made by people that really care about internet. I really hope it can help you give more freedom with anything you do online.